Hello everyone. Rich Editor on Moodle is the editing area for the users with the motive of what you see is what you get. It is also referred to as HTML, that is Hypertext Markup Language. It's a system for tagging text files to achieve font, color, graphic, or hyperlink effects on the web page. Let's familiarize ourselves with the toolbar. It has three rows. The first square on the first row is toggle, and this is the key to turn on or off any feature. Below this toolbar is the area where one can write. For heading, one can click the required format. This format can be changed to any other format or different sizes. One can also have a different color of the text or a different background color. Not only that, it can be in the bold form, in italics form. One can have bulleted list or a numbered list. One can underline the sentence or can strike through or can have subscript or superscript. One can insert any special character or emoticon or image. I am trying to record the video tutorial. One can draw. One can also insert link, unlink, or prevent automatic linking. It is also possible to click one's picture. Like I have done just now. After having a look at all the features of Rich Editor, one finds that there is nothing which is left out. It is complete in itself, and the best part is one can even customize this toolbar.